Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a music sounds muffled on CapCut application. So here I already have my CapCut open, as well as I already have the project that I want to make the music sounds muffled. And after that you just need to go click the sounds part, and whenever you already click the sounds part, there will be like appear here several tools that you can use for editing the sounds. You just need to scrolling down until you found the voice effects, and now you just need to click it. And to make the music sounds muffled, you just need to scrolling into the left side until you found a retro, and then you just need to click it. And now you just need to scrolling into the left side until you found a microphone, and now you just need to go click it. And whenever you're done and you feel satisfied with the result, you just need to go click done, and now your music already sounds muffled on the CapCut. And that's the way how to make your music sounds muffled on the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.